Here is how I assembled Mantic's terrain crate. Right here, it is the Bustling Metropolis set. I was hoping to do this for like Cyberpunk or Dead Zone. So this is how it comes. It comes in these sort of pieces that are 3 inches by 3 inches. And it's got these connectors, although there's not quite enough of the horizontal ones, in my opinion. Yeah. I tried spraying outside, but it was very windy, so it didn't get that great coverage. But here's what I'm going to do to make up for that. And you notice this big brush. You want to use your big brush because it's a big piece. Next, we're going to dry brush coming from above to give it a highlighter gray. This building is going to be mainly gray. The makeup brush right here, and we are just going to dry. Yep, for the sake of variety, I tried out 2 different colors. After I did the first 2 colors of the dry brush, I split. So this one got yellow and fur brown, and this one got gorgon hide and ash gray. So it actually just occurs to me that I've actually never painted windows before. So I'm just gonna guess. I'm gonna try out one window and see what happens. So because I'm a hack and a fraud and I have no idea what I'm doing, I did a few experiments and found that the best look, it looks like a gradient between these 3 colors. There is an army painter version of this color. I don't remember the name of it, but I wanted something that was a little bit darker than deep blue, and that's why I picked Cantor blue. So I did a few details. The neon lights were made with pink paint I got for free for Breast Cancer Month. I just used 3 different colors there, a triad of Crusted Sore, something from Reaper, and some other thing from Reaper. Don't worry too much about it, just any 3 pink paints will be fine. And as you can see, I freehanded it. And you know I freehanded it because my handwriting is terrible. Alright, now that I've done the signs using paper printed out from an actual printer, I'm going to do the windowsills in night scales. This would be the last step. This is a shine varnish from, I don't know, some company I can't remember the name of. Army Painter actually makes a really good version of this. I just don't own any. It's a shine varnish. And as you can see, it's glossy.